This exceptional Vogel-Eredyon Clear Quartz wand carries a quiet brilliance, its luminous body revealing delicate angel hair rutiles and a floating inner cluster that speaks to the crystal's ancient journey. Cut with precision and aligned to its natural hexagonal core, it guides energy in a smooth, coherent stream that brings clarity, balance, and focused intention. Clear quartz is the great universal amplifier, opening the heart and mind while strengthening the connection between thought and manifestation. As you hold this wand, awareness deepens, the field steadies, and your intentions rise with purpose, a powerful companion for healing, meditation, and conscious creation.